In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delegate access on Hostinger quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to website management, having the ability to manage and delegate access is a crucial skill. So let's dive right in and get your settings configured. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger website. For those who aren't familiar, Hostinger provides a user-friendly interface through its H panel, making it easy for users to manage their hosting needs. Open your browser and navigate to hpanelhostinger.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your account dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but for today, we'll assume you're already set up and ready to go. Now that you're in your account, direct your attention to the Websites section. Here, you'll see a list of all the websites you're managing through Hostinger. To get to the access settings, look for the three dots placed to the right of the website you want to delegate access for. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Don't worry if this part feels overwhelming. Hostinger's interface is designed to be intuitive, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Next, select the Grant Access option from the drop-down menu. Choosing this brings up the access management settings, where you can specify who gets access to what. It's important to note that granting access doesn't mean handing over complete control or ownership. This action allows someone to manage specific aspects of your hosting account. As you proceed, you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the individual you wish to grant access to. Type in their email, double-checking for any typos. This ensures you're giving access to the right person. Once you've entered the email, you'll see another section labeled Managed Services. Here you can select which services you want this person to manage. It's all about giving the right permissions without compromising the security and integrity of your hosting account. Finally, with everything filled out to your liking, it's time to click Grant Access once again. This final click will save and apply your settings, officially granting the specified person access. You'll notice a confirmation message indicating that the changes have been made successfully, and you're all set. And there you have it, folks. Delegating access on Hostinger is as simple as that. In no time, you've enabled effective website management for your team or partners while maintaining the control you need. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy hosting!